Here's how to buy stock or ETF in the Wealthsimple app, step by step. First, open the Wealthsimple app in your phone. Once signed in, go to the account that you want to buy the stock in. In this tutorial, I'll be buying a stock in my TFSA. Once you're in the account, tap on the magnifying glass at the bottom of the screen. Now you can search the stock that you want to buy. For today's tutorial, I'll be buying the VFRE ETF, which is S&P 500 ETF. At the top here, you'll see the price of the stock. In this case, VFRE currently cost 145 Canadian dollars. Make sure you guys have enough funds to buy at least one share. If not, then you have to buy fractional shares, which I'll cover in the next video. Today, I'll be buying one share of VFRE. So let's press buy button at the bottom here. And in the top right corner, there are different types of order. Today, we'll be doing a market order. With market order, you can buy whole shares or fractional shares. Your order of whole shares will fill up right away. However, fractional shares will take a long time. For today, we'll just be doing whole shares. Let's do one share. As you can see here, one share will cost $145.28. If you guys have several accounts, then you may have to reselect the account you want to buy the shares in. Now, I will press review. Over here, you can review your order and see how many shares you're buying. As you can see here, today we're buying one share of VFRE. And our estimated total cost is $145.28. Since I'm placing the order while the market is closed, it'll queue my order. So now let's look at our orders. You can click on the clock symbol at the bottom right corner. Over here, we have all our orders. As you can see at the top here, it says my order is pending. Also, you can see the estimated total cost is much higher than what we previously saw. Once again, this is estimating the higher end. It says $152, but it will buy the stock at whatever price it is trading at when the market opens, so we don't need to worry. And it is as easy as that. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. If this helped, like and comment to help the algorithms and support more Canadians learning how to invest.